Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to link your Android phone to your Windows PC using a QR code with the Phone Link app. Open the Phone Link app on your Windows PC. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Microsoft Store. When the app opens, click on Link Your Phone. Select Android when asked. A QR code will appear on your PC screen. Now take your Android phone. Open the Link to Windows app on your phone. If you don't have it, go to the Google Play Store and install it. Open the app and tap Link Your Phone and PC. Scan the QR code that is displayed on your PC screen. Follow the instructions shown on your phone. Allow all the necessary permissions such as access to messages, contacts, and media. Once done, your phone will be successfully linked to your PC. You can now access messages, notifications, and photos from your computer. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.